The MIA Straddle Carrier Operations and Maintenance course is the only straddle carrier course in Australia that is nationally accredited. Participation is an absolute must for your straddle carrier operators. Over this 2-day course, your straddle carrier drivers will learn essential aspects of health and safety, maintenance, service checks and pre-startup checks, lifting, positioning of slings, and blocking and propping to ensure that they are operating their machine in the safest manner. As a yard manager, you will have peace of mind knowing that you have done your best to train your operators if an accident does occur. Insurance providers may consider reducing your premiums if all your operators are accredited. The course consists of both a theory and practical component, where participants observe pre-startup checks, lifting and blocking and propping. After participants complete in-class theory questions and practical tasks at their own marina, they can obtain a nationally accredited statement of attainment after they are marked competent.
Hi, I'm Andrew Fenwick, the Managing Director of Fenwick's Marina. I've sent my guys to the MIA Straddle Carrier course to get a national accreditation and also to build their competency and efficiency in operating our lifting equipment.
The course is accredited by ASQA, the Australian Skills and Quality Authority. The Straddle Carrier Operations and Maintenance course is well worth investing in for your staff.